Guys, remember to hit the like button and the way in. Don't forget. Before we go further, remember, guys, our content here for educational purposes only, and we're not financial advisors. So always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. Welcome, everybody. Let's get right to it. So we have a pretty active market for today. Pretty active market. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Let's get right to it. As we said, every day we've got some action for you guys. So for today, we got a few stocks to watch. In MNTN, it's preparing for a breakout here. We got kids looking all right. We have a reversal here. RENX reversing from the bottom. QNCX maybe will be good. Yeah, those three looking great. We got Unity, guys. It started to reverse a huge earnings. We have a huge dip for it. Almost 30% dip. Shopify, double top. Huge jump for Shopify today. Elab, the same. Ford had earnings yesterday. We got Hood. I think Spotify as well had earnings yesterday. Today is pulling back up a little bit. But the main ones is Unity, guys. Look at Unity. It start to reverse from the bottom. Unity looking interesting, guys, for a huge jump for today. SNDK started to reverse from the bottom here. We have a quieter reversal here. Yeah, Unity, we might have the reversal of the lifetime. Right now, reverse 10%. It's back to reversal more toward the 25 maybe. Now, before the open, we've got a lot of traders watching and jumping on Unity. We have really great earnings. It dipped after kind of panic selling. We could put some support here around the 21. Would be great for Unity if we did another 6% for the open to test the 2397 at least. And after that, we have the other levels around the 2550. Good morning, hunters. So yeah, MNTN looking interesting for today. Good morning, Karina. How are you doing? Yeah, we got some action for Beyond Meat. It pulled back a little bit yesterday. Yeah, kids, we got a really good reversal for this one, guys. From the 25, now, right now is testing the 30 cents, a major resistance. Yeah, the 30 cent is psychological level for kids. One of the top stocks for today, we got yeah, 2 million shares repurchase program. Interesting. We got huge news, guys, for kids. RENX, the same, have a huge jump in the pre-market, but it pulled back near the 21. Still, there is a huge seller around this white line. Already tested the 30. We might test the 33 after that. We'll see. Okay, top gainer for today. We got kids, RENX, MNTN, QNCX. Stocks that have earnings for today. We got Cisco, After Hours, McDonald's, CSCO, MCD, EUIX, MSI, MFC. We got WC and anyway, so let's see. We got Grab is going up today, have earnings today after hours. IFF. This one looking interesting. Okay, we watching the stock that might have some activity today after hours. We got earnings season, of course, guys. That's why the market might react for those stocks that we're watching now. MSI might be good as well, but yeah, pulled back a lot lately. Cisco is really strong and lately did a really great job. Yeah, last earning were really good. Yeah, still waiting for this one to go up at the market open. Watch out for Unity, guys. We have a huge earnings today. Pulled back a lot, so there is a chance for a reversal. There is a chance for a huge reversal toward the 24. So yeah, we might do another 7% at the market open. Shopify already tested the resistance. We might have a nice dip around the 135. Today we got a unicorn might squeeze at the market open. Watch out, everybody, for a huge squeezer play. We're gonna update you in a minute before the market open or during the market open. So the main gainer, as we said today, is MNTN, testing the 12, which is the breakout. Kids, we have a huge seller around the 30, so it might be good for another jump toward the 36. RENX might have a reversal if we held the 21 and break the 30. So we have two stocks have a huge seller around the 30, RENX and KIDS. Both of them have the same levels. And MNTN is a bit expensive, it's not penny stock, is nearing the $12. So this one look interesting if we held, of course, over the 10. Good morning, David. Clifton, good morning. Good job report came out. Yeah, things looking great. Not for Unity because it pulled back with Ford. But yeah, today might be a good day for a reversal, guys. Good morning, everybody. Yes, today might be the day to watch. Let me just bring Unity here because now is about to reverse. We got Shopify as well, looking great for today. If it broke this level. So watching closely, guys, Unity could be really great for today. If we held the 2174 would be really great. Okay, we got imminent breakout here for kids. Imminent. Let's go. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Yes, the market is active. Today we got some action. The market is a bit green because we got really great news in the market. We got, yes, a unicorn is about to get squeezed. We have to discuss some of stocks right now. Yes, you reversing right now, brother. We already discussed it early on. Okay, we got FDA approval stock. We're gonna discuss it in a bit. Watch out, guys. Let's go. We got few minutes left at the market open, guys. Few minutes. Unity, brother, watch out. Is started to reverse now. We got a level to test at the market open around the 24 and the 25. Those two levels I'm watching for a reversal for Unity for today. 19 maybe over the 20 should be the bottom support right now. $20 already reversed from it around the 20.50. After that we have the 18 and 16, but I doubt that we're gonna have this dip today. Unity might have a nice squeeze at the market open, so watch out for Unity, guys. Shopify the same, is pulling back right now. We got 2 minutes left, everybody. 2 minutes. RAENX start to reverse. Kids is pulling back. As we said, guys, we got stock have FDA feedback. One of the stock that we should watch for today because it might squeeze at the market open. B pulling back up. APLD the same. SNDK. Okay, let's go. We got a few seconds, guys. Few seconds at the market open. So watch out for RLMD, everybody. So we got really good news for the stock RLMD because it announced FDA feedback supporting their drug of muscle invasive bladder cancer. So right now, this one right now, guys, looking interesting because of course the volume is a bit light. However, we are up 1% because we got a buy rating as well for it. The price analyst target give it 138, around almost the $10 for RLMD. We already discussed it before. If you remember, guys, we said we got a few levels here. We have a breakout from almost the 2, and right now is around the $5 for RLMD. So this one, it is one of the top unicorn that we should watch because have FDA approval, and of course last two earnings were really great for this one. We have the $5 psychological level that we should break in order to go toward almost the 650 and the $10 which is the psychological level for this one. So I'm gonna put a few levels to watch out for. We have a big buyer around the $3.30, of course, and the other level that we have a huge buyer is the $1.14. So this one looking interesting. Shopify, we got I think a huge pullback for Shopify. Yeah, so I'm gonna take it from the list. Unity pulling back, but I expect a reversal for today later on. We got RENX, nothing much. Yes. RLMD, still light on volume. Yeah, this one looking interesting, guys. Watch out. RLMD could be the one to watch. So far, so good. We have a huge buyer for it back here after the earnings. And we got few accumulation. If you see here, back around October, we have accumulation. We have a big buyer, then jumped from the $2 and doubled around the 5, guys, over the $5. And now consolidate between the $3.30 and $5 for another shoot up. Maybe we're gonna double from the 4 to 8. This is would be a really great story. Let me just check here. Yeah, we might have another double scenario here. But yeah, for now, I will watch for this level around $5, yes, for RLMD. Kids is pulling back a lot. Yeah, this one pulling back. So I'm gonna take it from the list. MTNT, no. CCHH, QNCX. Anyway, going back to the main list. B jumping 6%. APLD the same. SNDK jumping big time. Anyway, RLMD, what's going on? RLMD is still looking all right here. We'll wait for a reversal. Clifton, because in YouTube we have a bit of delay, Clifton. We can't do anything about this. There's always delay, even if you have a fast internet. YouTube have a bit of lag. I think Twitch is much better in the streaming. That's why a lot of gamers choosing Twitch. RENX, yeah. RENX, yeah, we have a nice reversal. Now it's testing a major level of resistance, maybe around the 33. Yeah, the 33 could be a really interesting level to break for RENX. For RLMD, again, guys, this one, we got a nice news lately about a buy targets. Yeah, a buy rating. Really good news regarding this one. RLMD. Okay, we have a buy rating, a $9 price target. Yes, $9 price target. Right now is around the 4. So yeah, another double price. Because as we said, this one was before the earnings, and last year, just October, around the $2, and we jumped until the 5, so more than double. Now around the 4 and going toward the 9, so more than double. But before that, yeah, before that we might have the 6 and then the 7, then the 9. RENX, yes, doing fantastic. But yeah, have a bit of seller around the 33 right now. Because we have a big seller around this white line, guys. This is normal, as you can see. We have a seller for this one. That's why he's struggling here. We have a bit of struggle here for RENX to jump. APLD pulling back, but B doing fantastic, going up. MSTR pulling back as well. Intel is still going up. SNDK, STX. Checking again the top gainers for today. SUNE hitting the scan. Okay, SUNE hitting the scan. We got some action here. Yes, sir. We got some supports around those two levels. Resistant, it is around the 230 for this one. Might go toward the 280. Yeah, as UNE just came again. This one was one of the top gainer before. Yeah, it was accumulating for a while. Now it's going up again. Okay, let's see if we got any stock been halted lately. We got RDCM and Cyber. I think they're not that good because they're not on the main gainer list. But I'm gonna double check because sometimes we get a really good play. DGI. Okay, we got few stocks been halted, but I doubt that we have a really good play. Yeah, no good. This one is flashing. This one the same. This one the same. Cyber, no good. So yeah, our LMD guys, as we said, this one have a price target of almost $10. Right now is around the four. Last time we discussed it was here before the earnings, I believe it was around the $2 last year, and then jumped. Now it's consolidating again. So we might have the same scenario, guys, like what happened before, consolidation, low volume, then huge jump again. So watch out for RLMD because again have a nice FDA settlement, or as you can see here, and initiated by the analysts to be a buy right now. The next one we got RENX, looking interesting as well because it's reverse, trying to break this channel. And SUNE pulling back from the resistance around the 230. Okay, David, the VTIX, yeah, you give me a wrong ticker, man. Make sure to double check. Uh, Not good. Not good. Yeah, it's dead, this one. So, yeah, Intel doing a really great move now. For MSTR, brother, MSTR still dipping. It's getting near a nice dip here around 125.50. And if we dipped more, the 114.56 should be a nice dip. Current resistance still around the 139. And B just got shorted around 157.60. Current support is still around the 141.33. What we got? Karina, law firm trying to sue Beyond Meat. Interesting. So they have a deadline until the 26th of March. Interesting. This is really negative news, yeah, for Beyond Meat. Let me just check what's going on. But Beyond Meat pulled back just 1%. Really light on volume for today. SU and E is, or Sun is still going up, holding the gains. Yeah, RLMD is pulling back a little bit, but it's still holding the current support, the 3.26. Yes, around this level, yes. Bitcoin chart. Let me just check Bitcoin chart. Yes, Bitcoin is still going down, guys. Yeah, a huge pullback for Bitcoin. Have a little support that we bounce from around the 66. It might go down more. I will be watching Bitcoin if we broke the 66 toward the 62 because there's a big seller now is around the 71. Ethereum, nothing much here. Dogecoin still pulling back. Yeah, the market is a bit weak. We don't have a major reversal. We reverse here for Bitcoin 20%, but now it's giving back the gains. RENX is still trapped inside here. Yeah, still trapped inside this channel. We need a breakout, guys. We need an exit. We need to run from this resistance. Yeah, kids kind of breaking the support here. You are welcome, George. Abhi, what's up? Okay, let's see the top gainers and losers here. Holy baloney, man. Yeah, Unity is getting hammered big time. Oh man, Unity is getting hammered big time. I don't know what's going on. This is the first time we have 30% jump down, guys. Unbelievable. Yeah, unbelievable. Shopify from green to red. DDOG flashing down. Hood the same, it's going down. ELAB continue to go down. Unity might reverse, guys, today. Watch out for Unity. It look really juicy now. Yeah, we got a huge pullback. Huge pullback for the market. AMD, we have a nice jump with SNDK. Unusual buying pressure with Intel. Those the top gainers for today. Intel, SNDK, and AMD. But yeah, this is really unusual, guys. Really unusual that Intel pulled back like this. Unbelievable. There is no reversal yet. But yeah, it's back to reversal today or tomorrow if we hit the 18 or the 15. And this is would be almost 40%. This is crazy, guys. Yeah, would be almost 40% dip. Unbelievable. This would be unbelievable. So yeah, we have a huge seller just around the 23. Huge seller. Anyway, the market is getting huge red right now. So be careful, especially for Unity, I think is flushing down. RLMD, nothing much. RENX, the same, nothing much here. It's trying to break. We got SUNE trying to break as well here. CCH, nothing much. Yeah, we're gonna do update later on, guys. Watch out. The market is reacting right now. So yeah, stay tuned for a huge update later on our Discord. Meantime, thank you for watching and see you all back tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open. And of course, the update we're gonna do on Discord right now.